Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rati. Now today we are going to explain from a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b, that is z equals to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Okay, now we are going to explain like this partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. Once again, can I write the given problem, that is z equals to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. By eliminating arbitrary constants, differentiating first of all with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, then the above equation will get dou z by dou x equals to a into dou x by dou x means 1, remaining, or this is y term 0, and then constants also 0, differentiation of constants 0. Okay, here substitute dou z by dou x equals to p. Therefore, the above equation here substituting in place of dou z by dou x equals to p equals to a. Next, the given equation now differentiating with respect to y. Differentiating with respect to y, then we will get the given equation dou z by dou y equals to here x term 0 plus b into dou y by dou y means 1 plus constants a square plus b square constants 0, differentiation of constant again will be 0. Therefore, dou z by dou y equals to b. Substitute dou z by dou y equals to q, then q equals to b. Therefore, p equals to a and q equals to b. The above equation can be written as z equals to ax plus by. In place of a means here p, in place of b means q, px plus qy plus p square plus q square. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Next, now can I explain this problem, that is from a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants z equals to f of x square minus y square. Here eliminating the arbitrary constants by a function. Okay, solution the given problem. Once again, can I write here z equals to f of x square minus y square. Differentiating partially with respect to x means dou z by dou x equals to f dash of x square minus y square. F of x square minus y square means differentiating f dash of x square minus y square. Again, in place of here x square minus y square is there, differentiating with respect to x means here x square means 2x, this is 0. Next, differentiating partially with respect to y, then the above equation differentiating with respect to partially y, dou z by dou y equals to f dash of x square minus y square. Again differentiating x square minus y square with respect to y means here x square 0 minus y square means minus 2y. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Here equation number 1 implies substitute dou z by dou x equals to p. Then we'll get here p equals to f dash of x square minus y square into 2x. Next that equation 2 becomes here substitute dou z by dou y equals to q. Then equation 2 implies q equals to f dash of x square minus y square into minus 2y. Now this equation, assume that here equation number 3 and this equation, assume that here equation number 4. Equation number 3 by equation number 4, then we'll get p by q equals to f dash of x square minus y square into 2x by f dash of x square minus y square into minus 2y. Here f dash of x square minus y square, f dash of x square minus y square gets cancels, 2 gets cancelled, minus x by y. P by q equals to minus x by y. Therefore, py cross multiplication will get minus xq. That implies py plus xq equals to 0. This is the solution of the given partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. Next that from the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants, z equals to x plus a into y plus b. Now I will be explain this example problem by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b. Once again, can I write the given problem z equals to x plus a into y plus b. Now differentiating partially with respect to x means here dou z by dou x equals to differentiating partially with respect to x. X means differentiation, here 1, this is constant 0. Therefore 1 into y plus b. Next that differentiating partially with respect to y, the given equation becomes dou z by dou y equals to here x plus a into differentiating partially with respect to y means 1 in plus here b means constant 0. Therefore x plus a here is y plus b. Next this is assume that equation number 1 and this assume that equation number 2. Equation number 1 implies let dou z by dou x equals to p. Then we'll get equation number 1 implies p equals to y plus b. Okay, next equation number 2 implies let dou z by dou y equals to q. Then equation 2 implies q equals to, here q equals to x plus a. Now here we have to assume that this will get equation number 3 and then q equals to x plus a. We have to assume that here equation number 4. Therefore here pq equals to z equals to the given equation, substituting here z equals to in place of x plus a is q and then in place of y plus b equals to p. Therefore here write z equals to pq. Okay, this is the solution of given partial differential equation z equals to x plus a y plus b by eliminating arbitrary constants. Okay, thank you.